Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to take a walkthrough on a brand new 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX. As you can see, the hull is in the Kingfisher teal, and you have the accent in the sports tower to tie it all in together. You have a black rub rail, stainless steel insert. You can see equipped with fender pros, nice stainless steel cleats, a white 300 Mercury, quiet, fuel efficient. Let's take a look inside. You can see you have sea deck throughout the whole boat. Nice and easy walk through. You have a huge pad back here with a freshwater sprayer and fusion controls for the stereo in the back there. You do have a cooler in here, or a perfect spot to throw the shoes. In the cockpit, you have plenty of room for the whole family. Interchangeable, you can adjust the seats, face forward, face aft. This is adjustable as well. Opens up the cockpit, everybody can talk and relax. You have in-floor storage here. Perfect spot to throw all your necessities. At the helm here, we have twin Simrads, all your toggle switches, digital binnacle with active trim. Cool for the 250 SDX is a massive head with a sink and a little space to get away from the sun. Going forward to the bow, great seating up here, speakers. Here you have a ladder, makes getting on and off at the sandbar super easy. Storage underneath everywhere. You also have in-floor storage here. That's going to wrap up this walkthrough. If you'd like to check this boat out, give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.